I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment and immediately creating the target schema. First, make sure you have the necessary privileges and that you've taken a logical backup or export. Once done, execute the create schema statement for your SQL dialect. This creates the new namespace. Make sure to check for dependent objects and active connections so nothing locks. Next, list objects to move, tables, views, sequences so you know scope and can plan transfers. Do not skip the verification step. Now you execute the core migration, moving objects and updating references. For each table, view, and sequence, run the dialect-specific command postgres. Alter table name set schema new schema. Other systems may use alter schema transfer. Once objects are moved, update views, functions, synonyms, and stored procedures that reference the old schema names and adjust privileges and ownership so roles still work. After that, run a dependency check and test queries to confirm all references resolve to the new schema. Finish by validating and switching production use to the new schema. You should update application connection settings or the database search path, then run full integration tests and compare row counts or checksums to confirm completeness. Once satisfied, drop the old schema when safe. If things go wrong, stop and do one key troubleshooting action. Restore from the backup or reverse moves using your migration log, and check for lingering references or permission mismatches. Make sure to communicate rollback steps to stakeholders.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.